It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a review. I'm really excited about this. If you know me well, you'll know I'm a massive Disney fan. So when I found that I Heart Revolution had made these beautiful eyeshadow palettes, and there's some highlighters and lip glosses, I believe, to go with them, I had to get one. So I really wanted to get them all, but I was like, no, Claire, you have enough, just get one. So I got the Cinderella one, and it is absolutely beautiful. So this retails at £15, and the outer sleeve is just stunning. It's obviously made to look like the book, and yeah, it's just beautiful. It looks like it's got this like blue leather binding on it, and oh, it's just so nice. It really is. So we'll have a look at the palette inside, and yeah, it just looks like a book. It's even got this gold, that's binding, isn't it? I'm not really a book person, to be honest, but yeah, I can appreciate a pretty one, a pretty book or eyeshadow palette. But yeah, so inside we have these stunning colours. So obviously, being Cinderella, it's more like blue based, which is fine by me because I love blues and greens anyway. And then obviously these are all eyeshadows. We've got a mixture of, yeah, quite a decent mixture of shimmers and mattes actually. And then here we have blushes and highlighters. So 15 quid, I didn't think that was too bad actually. Right, so let's get trying it out. Right, okay, so I'm thinking, yeah, a blue look is needed. And looking at the palette, God, what's going on with my hair today? Looking at the palette, these two here, I just absolutely love these shades. Like royal blues are just lovely. So this one is actually called Royal, so I do want to put this in, but it is a shimmer. So I do also really like this one here called Drizella, and I like this one here, Midnight. There's just, I like them all. Obviously I can't put them all on my face. Right, okay, so I think what I'm going to do first is go in with this kind of cornflower blue, I'd say, which is Fairy Godmother. And I'm going to kind of put that into my crease. Okay. Try this. It's not as blue as I expected it to be. Obviously I realise it's quite pale, but yeah, I thought it would be a little bit more pigmented, if I'm honest, than that. So this obviously is the shade here that I went for, and that's kind of what it's gone like. Okay, right, so then just above that, I'm going to go in with Daydream, which is this slightly brighter looking one here in the corner. I'm going to go on the same brush with that. Okay, so on the brush it looks really bright. It's a bit better. Okay, blend it. Right, so next on this outer corner, that looks more of a teal when it's on. I don't know if it's the base that I've put on, because I actually went for like a concealer that, see from this eye, it's quite orangey, and yeah, it just needed using up really, so I thought I'd try that. I don't know if it's maybe a little bit too dark to use under this, but yeah. Anyway, right, so I'm going to take that really dark blue, which is Midnight. It looks a stunning colour in here, I have to say. So it's, no, this one here. And I'm going to use that on the outer sort of corner of my eye here. Okay.
No stress, keep rolling now. I'm blessed, you're blessed, so we holy now. All night, we gon' do it. Girl, I'm on my way. I'm on the way down.
I'm just going to try a different brush. Try one that's a bit denser. And then go there. I'm going to try this one.
Girl, I'm on my way down. And why pose for the photo? Red eye, flights out to Soho. I call cause I landed in the city. Gotta make some time even though we both busy. You've been playing shows, always on the scene, always going now. You've been losing sleep.
Not gonna lie, I am a little bit disappointed with these. I find them really hard to blend. I'm kind of finding myself trying to fill in the gaps where it's gone patchy. I don't know if it's just me or what, but I need some serious cleaning up around the edges afterwards. Really bad fallout down here and here. And I mean, I'm aware that it's a dark colour, but yeah. Okay, so right, what I'm going to do is just clean up a little bit around here because it's really bugging me, and then I'm just going to cut the crease on the inner corner of that eye as well. Right, okay, so I have cut the crease. I have to say, I'm not having a good day today. I've tried my blooming hardest today, and yeah, I just feel like everything's going wrong. Even the stuff I used to cut my crease. I should have just gone for my usuals that I normally do, and I thought, no, I'll try that one for a change, and yeah, it's not really the best, to be honest. But anyway, so next I'm going to go for this Nightingale at the bottom here. So I'm going to put that over where I put the concealer. It's so sticky, my eyelids keep sticking together. Okay, so it's like that on the brush. It does look really nice.
No stress, keep rolling now. I'm blessed, you're blessed, so we holy now. All night, we gon' do it. Girl, I'm on my way. I'm on the way down. Catch the vibe and I feel okay. I got nothing to do but kick it with you. I'm on the way down.
That's actually a really nice colour. And apart from the little patchy bit here where my stupid hooded eyelids have made it go right up, and it's completely covered on that, so I'm going to have to sort that out. It actually looks really quite nice. Apart from this little patchy bit here as well. Okay, I'm going to take that. I was going to put a paler colour right on that inner corner, but I think I'm going to take it right in.
We gon' do it. Girl, I'm on my way.
Yeah, that's actually quite nice. Right, okay, I'm just going to sort out this side. Right, okay, so I've kind of tried to do that best that I can. This eye is definitely better. Right, so underneath, what I think I'm going to do is go in with the dark blue on the outer so that it joins to here, and then I'm going to go in with this top ball gown, this really pale sparkly blue. So I'm going to start off on the outer corner with that dark blue. Now I'm just going to, on the inner corner, I'm going to go in with that lighter, sparkly one. Ball gown.
I'm on the way.
quite nice. A lot of faffing around, I have to admit, and the colours started off, I don't know if it's the base that I used or if it's the palette. I'm going to have to try the palette again at some point and see if it's any different. But I like the look. I like this eye better than this eye. This eye was more of a tester, I'd say, but this one looks a lot better. So they obviously can blend because that one has, but I just don't know. I've tried to save this one, but I just don't know what's going on here. So just ignore that. Pay attention to that one. Right, so I'm just going to pop some mascara on, and then we'll try the blusher and highlighter. Right, okay, so there we go, that's the eyes done. So the next thing I'm going to do is the blusher and the highlighter. So obviously we've got these colours, as I showed you before. I think, looking at these, this middle shade here is probably the closest to what I'd normally go for, which is Bobbity. Oh, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo, how cute is that? Yes, I'm going to go for that one. And probably this blush here, Waltz, as well. So I'm going to go for those two. So we'll go for the blush first. Mirror. Okay.
Girl, I'm on my way down.
It's quite a nice colour actually.
Girl, I'm on my way down. I'm on the way, I'm on the way.
That is a really nice colour blush. Right, okay, so highlighter. As I said, I'm going to go in with that Bibbidi. Oops. I've taken too much there, probably.
Got nothing to say. Girl, I'm on my way down. LA, California crazy. My babe made me feel amazing.
That's quite nice actually. It's more of a sheen like up than a really in your face highlighter, but it's nice. Build it up as well, which is good. Pop that all over.
All night, we gon' do it. Girl, I'm on my way. I'm on the way.
Okay, so there we go. Highlighter on, blusher on. They weren't too bad. I preferred the blusher to the highlighter. It was, yeah, I just found it doesn't show up as much as I would quite like. It's got a nice sheen, so if you like a nice, really natural highlighter, that would be really good for you. It's just I like mine to be a bit more blinding. So, yeah, but I still like it. And the formula was all right. But yeah, so there is my take on the Disney Cinderella palette from I Heart Revolution. Yeah, it was all right. Once I got used to it, I don't know what it is. I mean, you tell me if you've tried any of the Disney palettes as well. I just found the formula a bit more tricky to work with than the normal Revolution palettes are. I don't know. I don't know. I can't put my finger on it. It just didn't seem to blend quite as well as usual. But yeah, love the design. Really, really cute. But yeah, so I'll give you a quick close-up of the eyes.
Girl, I'm on my way down.
And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, obviously please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell for future notifications. I usually upload on a Monday, Wednesday and a Friday at around 6 PM. So I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I'm on the way.